So what you see in here is this new part. This is a latched relay, but not only is it just a latch relay, but it's a single momentary 12-volt input, which the relay will stay on in that state until another positive pulse moves the relay into the opposite position, reducing wiring, making it simple. This is great for controlling linear actuators with a single pulse with zero standby power draw in either position. The relay's top position can be used as a mechanical safety override. This thing is just amazing. So if you're looking for something like this, check it out below. We'll have a link to the relay controller, which is part number 5086E in our store. Thanks for watching. Hope this thing is interesting to you, because it is interesting to me.